Alright, 18 October, Tuesday at 4:36 p.m. We're going to go up in here. This wind is starting to lay down a little. It's still got some gust occasionally. There's some squirrels right up in there. Flat spot up in there around that hill there. Some oak timber. I shot an old fox squirrel here off this old rock up here on the ground. You got that old head busted. That's about a 65-yard shot on that squirrel right there. 6 power on the scope. Didn't have no time to be playing with no scope on him. Starting to get late. I see one. Yeah, I kind of heard that brush pile yonder. Oh, there's a hawk right there. Look at that. He comes up down the hill there. See if I can get this camera on this squirrel here. He's right above me here barking. He's a floppy field over. If you don't go through that fence, that fence got a hot wire around that thing. Get that heel busted. It's gonna get too dark on me by the time I get back to the truck. I'll just take this picture here. One gray squirrel and one fox squirrel, both headshots. That gray squirrel was close, boys. Now that fox squirrel over there was out there. He got there about 65 yards. I didn't see many squirrels. I only seen one more squirrel.